Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, share and like my video. Okay, so today I'll be doing a retite on my clients, and I'm gonna be using the interlock method, with the crochet hook. That's what you use for this style. One thing I like about this method is that you don't even need product, for this method. Basically, I use the leave-in condition spray, kind of just to use it to moisturize the hair and kind of give it a shine. Okay, so be mindful whenever you're, doing this method. Make sure there is no, tension. Make sure you're not tightening it so tight where it's gonna cause like a pulling on your client's hair. Just be mindful of that. Make sure there is a motion when you're done, and also when you're doing interlock, make sure you're not going through the same direction over and over again. Okay, make sure you're going like east, west, north and south. Okay, avoid going through the same direction over and over again, because if you're doing that, that means you're doing it wrongly. Okay, if you're still watching to this point, I really appreciate you for being here. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video.